Hi there, my name is Joseph Mike G. Talay. Today, I'm here with these guys. Hi! Introducing Kurt Russell Alarcon, Rey Bertumen, Sabina Cagungun, Rhianne Nacino, and Elleona Rivera. We're ready to explore and share some exciting topics about general mathematics.
In this video, we're going to explain and demonstrate solving different equations in piecewise function in real-life situations. What are we waiting for? Let's start!
So before we start, what is function? A function is a relation between a set of inputs called the domain and the set of possible outputs called the range, such that each input is related to exactly one output. In simpler terms, a function assigns a unique output value to each input.
Now, moving on to piecewise function. Piecewise function is a mathematical function that is defined by several sub-functions or pieces, each corresponding to a specific interval. These pieces are defined on different domains or conditions. It's a way to represent a function with different rules for different parts of its input domain.
Now, let's head to our first example.
Did you know a jeepney ride that travels from Guadalupe to FTI has a minimum fare of 13 pesos? And the regular fare costs 15 pesos for the first 4 kilometers. Each additional integer kilometer adds 2.20 pesos to the fare.
Me and Rhianne are here in field class located in Taguig City, and we're going to market that has distance of 2 km, Palar that has distance of 4 km, and Phase 1 that has distance of 15 km. To determine the fare price, let's use a piecewise function to represent the jeepney fare in terms of distance in kilometers.
Step 1. Identify the intervals. Determine the interval defined by the condition. Here, we have 3 intervals. Number 1. D is greater than 0 but less than 4. Number 2. D is equals to 4. Number 3. D is greater than 4. Step 2. Expression in each interval. Understand the expressions that define the function in each interval. For D is greater than 0 but less than 4, the function is 13 pesos. For D is equals to 4, the function is 15 pesos. And for D is greater than 4, the function is 15 pesos plus 2.20 pesos times D minus 4.
Step 3. Solve for each interval. Solve the equation separately for each interval. If 0 is less than D and D is less than 4, it will be equal to 13 pesos. If D is equal to 4, it will be equal to 15 pesos. And if D is greater than 4, solve 15 plus 2.20 times D minus 4 equal to the given value of D.
Consider the piecewise function. F of D is equals to 13 pesos if D is greater than 0 but less than 4. 15 pesos if D is equals to 4. And 15 pesos plus 2.20 pesos times D minus 4 if D is greater than 4.
Step 4. Combine and solve solutions. Combine the solutions and solve for each interval into a unified solution. Put the solutions back into the original piecewise function to ensure they satisfy the given equation.
We travel a distance of 2 kilometers from Philippines to Market, the fare would cost 13 pesos. However, if our destination is exactly 4 kilometers from Philippines to Pilar, the fare would increase to 15 pesos. In the case of dropping off at Phase 2, which is 5.15 away from Philippines, the fare can be calculated using the function f of t equals 15 pesos plus 2.20 times 5.15 minus 4.
By subtracting the 4 km distance from the 5.15 km we're supposed to travel, we got an additional distance of 1.15 kilometers. According to the given function, multiplying this additional distance by the rate of 2.20 pesos per kilometer results in additional cost of 2.53 pesos. Therefore, when considering the regular fare, the total cost amounts to 17.53 pesos.
And that's how you solve the fare price by kilometer using piecewise function.
Wait! Is that our jeep?
Oh no!
Wait, driver!
Our jeep is about to go! Bye now!
Hey Joseph, what's up? Oh hi Kurt, what's up?
How's your work? Being a working student must be so hard.
Not that bad, just fine. I also got my salary today.
Oh really? How much did you earn today?
I've been working for the past 6 hours, earning 50 pesos per hour, which adds up to a total of 300 pesos.
Oh, that's awesome. Wait, how about if you overtime for another hour?
If I did overtime for another hour, the additional would be 10.5 pesos plus the 50 each hour. That makes it into 362.5 if I stayed for 7 hours.
Really? Then, how about if you stay for another 3 hours?
Well then, let's use the PIECEWISE function to solve my salary.
Step 1. Identify the intervals. Determine the intervals defined by the conditions. Here, we have two intervals. H is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 6, and H is greater than 6. Step 2. Expressions in each interval. Understand the expressions that define the function in each interval. For H is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 6, the function is 50 multiplied by H. And for H is greater than 6, the function is 300 plus open parenthesis 50 plus 12.5 close parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis H minus 6 close parenthesis. Step 3. Solve for each interval. Solve the function separately for each interval. If H is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 6, use f of H is equal to 50 multiplied by H. If H is greater than 6, use 300 plus open parenthesis 50 plus 12.5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis H minus 6 close parenthesis. Consider the piecewise function. F of H is equal to 50 multiplied by H if H is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 6. 300 plus open parenthesis 50 plus 12.5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis H minus 6 close parenthesis if H is greater than 6. Step 4. Combine and solve solutions. Combine the solutions and solve for each interval into an unified solution. Put the solution back into the original piecewise function to ensure they satisfy the given equation.
So if I want to stay or work for 3 hours more than the time I was assigned to, I would have to use the function f of h is equal to 300 plus open parenthesis 50 plus 12.5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis h minus 6 close parenthesis. The total time of work 9 hours subtracted by the assigned 6 hours is equal to 3 hours. Multiply the sum of overtime rate of 12.5 pesos and regular salary of 50 pesos to the extra additional 3 hours gives a total of 187.5 pesos. Then adding up the 300 pesos base amount salary for the assigned hours and the 187.5 earned for working over the estimated hour is equal to 487.5 pesos salary.
Oh, okay. I now get it. Thanks Joseph for instructing me how to solve it using the piecewise function.
You're welcome. You can come here and work here anytime.
Bye Joseph!
Hey Kurt, what you doing?
Oh Sabina, I'm doing good. Oh Sabina, by the way, can you connect your data?
Oh sure, let me check my phone. Wait, my load is going to expire today.
Oh no! When was the last time you registered?
Like last week, I have a 7 load plan for every week of Globe's Go 99 promo. 99 pesos only and 8 gigabytes of data for all sites plus only all net text and valid for 7 days.
Oh, I need to extend it.
How can I extend it?
There's a new promo that you can buy to extend your load for 1 day. You just need to pay 10 pesos.
Really?
Yes. Here, let's use the piecewise function for easier understanding.
Step 1. Identify the intervals. Determine the intervals defined by the conditions. Here we have two intervals. X is equals to 7 and X is greater than 7.
Step 2. Expressions in each interval. Understand the expression that define the function in each interval. For x is equals to 7, the function is 99 pesos. And for x is greater than 7, the function is 99 pesos plus 10 pesos multiplied by x minus 7. Step 3. Solve for each interval. Solve the function separately for each interval. If x is equal 7, use f of x is equals to 99 pesos. If x is greater than 7, use f of x is equals to 99 pesos plus 10 pesos multiplied by x minus 7.
Consider the piecewise function. F of x is equals to 99 pesos if x is equals to 7. 99 pesos plus 10 pesos multiplied by x minus 7 if x is greater than 7. Step 4. Combine and solve solutions. Combine the solutions and solve for each intervals into a unified solution. Put the solutions back into original piecewise function to ensure they satisfy the given equation.
So if I want to extend my promo load for 3 days or to the 10th day, I will use the function f of x equals 99 pesos plus 10 pesos times x minus 7.
Yes, so 99 pesos plus 10 pesos multiplied by 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Then multiplied by 10 pesos is 30 pesos. And finally, add 99 pesos. That makes it to 129 pesos.
Oh, okay then. I'm going to extend my promo now.
Go on, then I'll connect.
And that's all for demonstrating, explaining, and solving for piecewise function. I hope you learned something from this video. Have a Merry Christmas and have fun!
Suka, as function of science or art, unique ng value?
What?
Bye-bye, Joseph!
Uy, you got it.
Oh no!